Hey, Dave here from the Hobby Habit again. Got some new stuff in today we're going to open a box for. It's a new Opterra 1.2 meter flying wing. Comes in 3 versions. We've got 2 of them here today. Comes in the plug and play version with no receiver. The bind and fly basic, I guess you'd say, it's $200. Comes with the AS3X enabled receiver. And then the one we're going to open today is the Opterra S Plus 1.2 meter. It comes fully FPV equipped with the GPS receiver or module, so it'll tell you where to go. And we're going to swing this box around, see if Chuck can zoom in on us. The comes with the FPV has telemetry. So it'll show you on your goggles, does not come with goggles or a screen, where you're at, how high you're going, what your battery voltage is, all that good stuff. So looking forward to get this one out and fly it. But first, we got to open the box. So here we go. Slide that box open. And we slide that guy out. Always a good thing, right on top, the instructions. Let's find my trusty pocket knife. Get those instructions out. This is one you're definitely going to want to read through that big instruction book so you know what's going on. Nice piece of packing. One wing. It's got the winglets just like the big Opterra. These ones don't come off. The other really cool thing, it is a plug-in wing. You don't have to worry about plugging in the aileron. One wing tube. More protective foam. The other wing, it looks like it's going to be really easy to see. Black lines on the bottom. Kind of a red and gray view on top. What else we got in here? More packing. Looks like it's well packed. The main fuselage, it's already got the propeller, pusher prop. On the bottom, it's got a both launching skid and I think that'll work in as a landing skid. Underneath the hood, same pop-up. Looks like you've got the power connector, EC3, whole bunch of other wires. There's looks like the antenna for the video transmitter. On the side there, you can see the GPS unit. There's a lot of stuff going on inside there. And what else we got in here? We have the non-FPV nose. It's got a big weight in the nose. That's pretty heavy. And then this one, being FPV equipped, comes with the nose that actually has, I can't get that off of there, actually has the FPV camera mounted in the nose. So those guys, I'll have to read the instructions, but it looks like those guys probably somehow slide in down there. Okay, also in the box, the little winglets that go in the middle, they're going to plug in. Looks like they also hold the wings in place. What else we got in the box? The another cover for the nose. Looks like that guy goes right up there. Some wires and looks like some wingtip skids. We'll have to get this guy together and get her out and go flying. Looks like a good item. So I don't know if I said before, the FPV equipped, when we open the box, is $350. We'll see how it flies and have a great day.